Yes.
My project name is different types of families. Small family, big family, joint family. Small family, a family with parents and one or two children is called a small family. Example, this is my auntie's family. It is a small family. Big family, a family with grandparents, parents and children is called a big family. Example, this is my Amama's family. It is a big family, joint family. The families are very large. Grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts, and their children live together in the same house. Such a family is called a joint family. Example, my huge family. I live with my grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts, and my brothers and cousins. Thank